Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Few days back during the Aero India 2021, HAL got a great news and confirmation with the order of 83 LCA Tejas fighters by Indian Air Force. In this video, we will be seeing another great news, and this time it is related to Indian Army. The news which I am talking about is regarding the clearance of 118 Arjun Mark 1A main battle tank for Indian Army. Yes, as per the defense sources, looks like the Defense Ministry has cleared the induction of 118 Arjun Mark 1A tanks into Indian Army. It is said that this deal would be worth of 8,400 crores approximately. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hand over the state-of-the-art Arjun Mark 1A main battle tank to Indian Army on February 14, 2021 in Avadi, Chennai. These tanks are indigenously designed and developed and manufactured by Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment, DRDO, along with 15 academic institutions, 8 laboratories, and several MSMEs. The scientists of Chennai-based Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment and the Heavy Vehicles Factory in Avadi are the architects of this improved version of Arjun main battle tank. They were waiting to start the production after receiving the order, and it has got fulfilled right now. These 68 tons indigenously designed main battle tank, which is Arjun Mark 1A, is an improved variant of Arjun Mark 1 tanks. 72 improvements were made to Arjun main battle tanks Mark 1, of which 14 were major upgrades that were specially requested by the Indian Army, and that led to the Mark 1A version. There is already a separate video on this particular topic, which will cover the various improvements that has gone into the Arjun Mark 1A tank. You can find the link to that particular video in the top right I button and also in the details section of this video. The 118 tanks will be joining the fleet of the first batch of 124 Arjun tanks, which have already been inducted into Indian Army. It is said that the first batch of 5 main battle tanks will be handed over to the Indian Army within 2.5 years of the signing of contract. DRDO Chairman Satish Reddy will hand over the first Arjun Mark 1A tank to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Arjun Mark 1A tanks have been in development for quite some time, and the project was expedited by both Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and DRDO Chief Dr. G. Satish Reddy in order to increase the level of indigenous weapon systems in the armed forces. So that was a quick update video on information about Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicating the latest version of Arjun tank to the nation on February 14 in Chennai at the tank production facility in Avadi. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.